Hey guys, yesterday we were completing page 186 and 187 in your packet, and we were talking about number 11. Um, Kelly says that you cannot always use the method shown in the second measure it. Do you agree? Why or why not? And we said that we agree because it only works when the two objects are lined up. And we can write that in. I agree because it only works if the two objects are lined up next to each other. All right, and the last question I told you I wanted you to answer that. Henry has two paper clips. Circle the paper clip that is shorter. How many inches shorter is it? So we should have that. We can use this method that Kelly said that they did a measure it because the two objects are lined up. So if you look at that, this paper clip is 2 inches. This is 1 inch. So I can either measure the distance from here to here, or I can say 2 minus 1 equals 1 inch. All right, so let's move on to the next page that you're going to complete today, and that's pages 188 and 189 in your packet. And this says to study the model below and then solve problems 13 through 15. So Jonah is 52 inches tall. His sister Sophia is 43 inches tall. How much taller is Jonah than Sophia? And they did a bar model here, and it says you can work out your equation with a bar model. So 52 is what Jonah is, and we want to know how much taller he is. So we knew his is going to be the biggest number anyway, even without looking at it. And Sophia is 43. And so their equation using this bar model is this is from here to here is 52 inches, but from here to here is 43. So how many inches is that? Well, 52 minus 43 equals 9. So they wrote Jonah is 9 inches taller than Sophia. So looking at number 13, Anna measures the paper strips below in centimeters. What is the difference in the lengths of the paper strips? So you measure those, and we got centimeters here. This first one is 3, and the second one is 9. So if we do our equation, we would say 9 minus 3 equals 6 centimeters. And you can write a sentence that the purple and green paper strip is 6 centimeters longer. All right, looking at number 14 on the next page, you're comparing two different nails. It says circle the nail that is shorter. So, of course, this one is shorter. Then tell how much shorter it is. Measure using centimeters. So when I take my ruler and I measure, the big nail is 7 centimeters, and this little nail is 3 centimeters. So I actually can do 7, but 7 minus 3 equals 4 centimeters. So your answer is 4 centimeters. All right, number 5. Tim has a piece of yarn that is 3 inches long. Which piece of yarn is 1 inch shorter than Tim's yarn? So we would have to measure each one. You would have to measure each one of them. And when you do measure that, I would write your measurements outside of here. And if you look, D, let's see, is 1 inch shorter than, you want to measure to see which one of these. If it's 1 inch shorter than 3, I would say, okay, 3 minus 1 equals 2. So you're going to look for something that is 2. So work on that answer, and then I'll give you the answer to that, and we'll go over tomorrow's work on tomorrow's video. Okay, guys? Have a good day.